How to make expenses billable to customers in QuickBooks Online. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to make expenses billable to customers in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Click on the gear icon in the top left corner. In the top right corner, to access the settings, under Account and Settings, go to the Expenses tab and ensure that the Track Expenses and Items by Customer option is turned on. Next, go back to your dashboard and click on Plus New in the upper left corner. Select Expenses from the drop-down and fill in the necessary details like the vendor, date, and amount of the expenses. Now, here's the key step. In the expense form, look for the billable checkbox. Make sure to check it and select the customer you want to bill for this expense. You can also add a description for clarity. Once you've entered all the information and marked the expense as billable, click Save and Close, and your expense is now linked to the customer and will be included in the invoice. When you're ready to bill the customer, go to the Plus New and select Invoice. You will see the billable expense listed on the right side. Simply check the box next to it and it will be added to the invoice and counted in the expenses total. And that's it. You've successfully made expenses billable to customers in QuickBooks Online. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.